think walking is just for the leisurely stroll in the park? Think again. Walking, often underestimated, is a powerful tool for improving overall health and achieving your fitness goals. In this video, we'll delve deep into the science behind walking, explore its numerous benefits, and provide actionable tips to incorporate more steps into your daily routine. The science behind the step. When you take a step, you're not just moving your body, you're triggering a cascade of physiological changes. Let's break down the science. Low impact, high reward. Walking is a low impact exercise, meaning it's gentle on your joints. This makes it ideal for people of all ages and fitness levels, from the seasoned athlete to the couch potato. Calorie burning machine. While it might not burn as many calories per minute as high-intensity workouts, the key to weight loss is consistency. Walking, when done regularly, can lead to significant calorie burn and fat loss. Heart health hero. Regular walking strengthens your heart muscle, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of heart disease. It's like giving your heart a daily workout without breaking a sweat. Mood booster. Walking can alleviate stress, anxiety, and depression. It releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that can lift your spirits. Brain power. Regular physical activity, including walking, can improve cognitive function, memory, and creativity. So, next time you're feeling a bit foggy, lace up your shoes and take a walk. Better sleep. Walking can improve sleep quality by helping you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. How to increase your step count. Ready to boost your step count? Here are some practical tips to help you reach your daily goal: park farther. Instead of parking right next to the store, park a little further away. Every step counts. Take the stairs. Ditch the elevator and opt for the stairs. It's a simple way to add extra steps to your day. Walk during breaks. Get up and move around during work or study breaks. Even a short walk can make a big difference. Walk after meals. A post-meal walk can aid digestion, lower blood sugar levels, and prevent post-meal slumps. Incorporate walking into your routine. Find creative ways to add walking to your daily routine. For example, you could walk to work, take a walk during your lunch break, or go for a walk after dinner. Use a fitness tracker. A fitness tracker can help you monitor your daily step count and track your progress. Join a walking group. Walking with friends can make it more enjoyable and help you stay motivated. Walking for weight loss, beyond the basics. To maximize weight loss through walking, consider these additional tips. Increase intensity. Gradually increase the intensity of your walks by walking faster or adding incline. Combine with strength training. Building muscle mass can boost your metabolism and help you burn more calories at rest. Mindful eating. Pay attention to your food choices and portion sizes. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Track your progress. Use a fitness tracker to monitor your steps and calories burned. Walking is a simple, effective, and accessible way to improve your overall health and achieve your fitness goals. By incorporating walking into your daily routine, you can reap the physical and mental benefits. So, lace up your shoes, step outside, and start walking your way to a healthier, happier you. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips.